In this video, I'll show you how to fix BlueStacks 5 not launching on Windows. So let's get started. In case your PC is running the minimum system requirements for BlueStacks, then you should make sure that all applications related to BlueStacks are closed. To do that, open up your task manager. Here's the sort of list of processors by their memory usage, and make sure to end all processes which have the BlueStacks icon. In some cases, your antivirus or firewall could be blocking parts of the software while it's launching. So in your start menu, type firewall and open it up. Here, just select allow an app through firewall at the bottom. On this window, click on change settings, which will allow you to change and locate the BlueStacks and BlueStacks web services. Make sure that both of these apps are checked. If the problem still persists, then try updating your graphics driver. I suggest using the GeForce Experience application for NVIDIA GPU users and AMD users. I currently don't have that, but you can consider having that as well. Once you're in NVIDIA Drivers tab, select Download, and the latest graphics driver will install automatically. You should update your GPU driver every few months to get the most out of your hardware. Next is to open up your Windows settings and make sure to download the latest update if it's available, and then restart your Windows PC in order to install the update. After starting your PC, you can try to launch the BlueStacks player again. In case the problem persists, then make sure to delete your temporary files. To do that, search for storage in your start menu. Open up your storage settings. Click on temporary files and make sure that your temporary files are selected and proceed to remove these files. Lastly, make sure that you're using a reliable network connection. So you can make use of a speed testing site such as speedtest.net. Then you can preview your average upload and download speed to make sure that this problem is not related to your network connection. After that, you will have to uninstall and reinstall the BlueStacks emulator to your system. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!